how to download and install Microsoft Word mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Word mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type in Microsoft Word and search for it. And now here on the result, you can just tap on Microsoft Word. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on install button to start the installation process. Now here with that, you just have to wait for some time for it to download. And now here, once the installation completes, you can just tap on the open button to launch the app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.